Hello YouTube, 2 boxes on Christmas Eve. Let's see what we have in them. Those are my brake pads. They are ceramics, low dust, really high quality brakes pads. These will work really good. These are for the front of Frankenstein. Another box. Let me open this one up real quick. These are my front disc brakes. These are from Max Advanced Brakes. Real high quality, thick, vented for extra cooling, extra braking. Let me see what this on this. This is the other one. Really in good shape. I got the rears coming in soon. I guess they came in whenever they came in. These are supposed to be better than the stock. And they have a lifetime warranty, so that's good. Still have some more packages to come in. And once I get the second pair of brakes and pads in, I'm getting the lowering springs. But it's getting there. Frankenstein will be on the road soon. So that's it for today. Till next video.